Good morning, sir. I'm gonna present to you the problems and my solutions in making this in these topics, the functions, uh, limits and continuity, and derivatives. So first, I'm gonna solve the functions. The problem is x minus x squared over x plus 1. Values of x are 0, 1, and 1/2, and tangent x. First, we're gonna solve the f of x is equal to 0. So first, just substitute the 0 to all of the x's. So 0 minus 0 squared over 0 plus 1. 0 squared is equal to 0. 0 minus 0 over 0 plus 1. Minus 0 over 1, or 0 divided by 1 is equal to 1. So our f of 0 is equal to 1. The second value is 1. F of x equal to 1. Substitute again to all of the x. 1 minus 1 squared over 1 plus 1. 1 squared equals to 1. 1 minus 1. 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 1 plus 1, 2. Or 0 divided by 2 equals 2. So our f of x is equal to 1 is 2. So onto the third value, which is 1/2. F of x is equal to 1/2 is, again, just substitute all the x. 1/2 minus 1/2 squared over, sorry, over 1/2 plus 1. First, we're gonna square this 1/2. 1/2 minus 1/2 squared. So 1 times 1 equal to 1. 2 times 2, 4. So 1/2 minus 1/4. Then add these two. How to add the fractions? Just get their this common denominator and add the divisors, or no, just get the LCD and divide it. So the LCD here is 2. 2 divided by 2 equals 1 times 1. So we got 1. So 2, the LCD here is 2. 2 divided by 1 equals 2 times 1 equals 2. So we got 1 plus 2. So our is 3/2. We got 3/2 because 1 plus 2. Next is subtract these two. We're gonna get 1/4. Just get the LCD and the same process. 1/4 divided by 3/2. So in case you don't know how to divide two fractions, just reciprocate either of these two, then divide, or cross and reciprocate either of these two and multiply or just cross multiply. So 1 times 2 here is equal to 2, 2, and 4 times 3 equal to 12. Simplify 2 over 12 is 1 over 6. So that is our f of x equal to 1 half. Next is we're gonna start with the limits. So here is our problem. X squared minus 6x minus 8 over x squared minus 4, which is the limit is approaching to 2. So as we can see, if we're gonna distribute here the limit, which is 2 in our x, so if we're gonna square the 2, this is equal to 4 minus 4, which is equal to 0. So that's gonna be undefined. So there is another way in getting the limit of this problem. So what we're gonna do is use a simple method called, we're gonna factor it, called factoring. So you can also use synthetic division or like that, but here we're gonna use factoring. So what's the factor of x squared minus 6x minus 8? So let's gonna get a factor. So its factor is gonna be x minus 2 and x minus 4, and also gonna factor the divisor, x minus 2 and x plus 2. So here at this point we can cancel the two, these two, and what's left behind is x minus 4 and x plus 2. And here on out we're gonna substitute the r limit into our x, which is 2. It's 2 minus 4 and 2 plus 2. 2 minus 4 equals negative 2 over 4, or it is negative 1 half. So this is our limit, which is x is approaching to 2. And the last problem is the higher order derivatives. So for this problem, we're just gonna get the y second prime or the second derivative. So this is the problem: 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 squared. So first of all, we're gonna find the u and the du over dx of this problem. So the u is 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. And du is just the derivative of u is 4x plus 3. And the n, which is 2. So how to solve this? Just gonna put 2 here, and next the u, 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 squared minus 1, then times the du, which is 4x plus 3. Then simplify, multiply 2 and 4x plus 3. So 8x plus 6 times 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. So that is our y prime. Then how to get the y second prime? We're gonna proceed with the problem. So we're gonna find again our du. Our du here is now is 8x plus 6. U equals 8x plus 6. And du equals to 8. Then v, this is our v, 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. Then dv is equal to 4x plus 3. So here is just the vdu plus udv. vdu, v times du equals 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 times du, which is 8 plus udv, 8x plus 6 times dv, 4x plus 3. Multiply or simplify this into 16x squared plus 24x plus 8 plus FOIL method. First is equal to 32x squared outer plus 24x inner, 24x plus 6 times 3, 18. So add the same base, or which is 16x plus 32x is equal to 48x squared plus 72x plus 26. So this is not the answer yet. Let's find a common here. So 2 times 24 x squared plus 72 divided to 36x plus 13. That is our y second prime. So that's all. Thank you.